friends. Thank you very much, Niro, for the introduction, and all the dignitaries or office bearers on the dais, all the senior members and dignitaries in the audience, Mr. Satish Pense, who is the CEO of Hyper Technology, Mr. Srinivas Rao, who is representing the HP, and Taran Bhargava, who represents SAP. As rightly our Mumbai Center Chairman, Mr. Satish said that yes, there is a transition period. We all have to move forward, think progressive. While thinking progressive, I think the simple funda which I firmly believe as a management guy, that change is the name of the game. We can, because everybody is successful, everybody is doing their businesses, but then how do we differentiate ourselves from one from other is one. Second, whilst we are growing, because we need to go through the process of the decentralization. We can't control everything just because as we are small, with small businesses, one can definitely sit there, control with 10 people, 20 people, 30 people, 40 people. Geographically now things are changing. Because it's not so easy that because just I will only concentrate into one city and grow my business. Not possible. You have no option. Because you got to go with the wind and you got to go with the kind of businesses because opportunities. Whilst doing that, we can't again lose the control. The moment we lose the control of our business, because knowingly, unknowingly, unwittingly, because we'll be passing on the benefit of our business, which we are supposed to keep it with us, because somebody will take the advantage. So what do? We need to have the trusted people. We need to have the people who've been associated with us, who are looking after our business well and will control well. But things are changing, times are changing. People also, because with the time, that attrition level, that loyalty factor, what we used to talk, again slowly, there's no diminution. In my case, I'm a management guy, studied best of the schools of this world. 1985, somebody introduced me to Mr. Jazdanwala. I go to him, I meet him, just to understand about businessman and his perspective. I also wanted to do something business, and I spent 1 hour with him. In that 1 hour, the way he spoke about his vision, his organization, his treatment towards his employees. He said, because nobody is working for me, they're all my family members. Very impressive. I said, excellent sir, because I'm proud of you to meeting and understand this kind of concept. So, then I thought, because while discussing with him, because probably he's driving towards, because thinking that I've come for an interview also. I said, sir, please don't misunderstand. I'm not coming for an interview or because that kind of intention of working with your organization. I don't think I'll be working for anybody. I want to work for myself and do something on my own. And he got onto that and he said, look at the young man, because what I liked about during our discussion, one thing about you is that you made a statement that I want to work for myself and do not work for anybody. This is your organization from tomorrow. I said, he's joking, but he was serious. I said, sir, thank you very much for such a kind offer, and let me just think. No, I'm serious about it. Do you have any other plans? I said, nothing as such, but just come to me too. I'm thinking about doing something. So do one thing. I mean what I'm talking about. From tomorrow, this is your company. Start working here. The day you don't like, you can quit. Now, there's no commitment from because either side. Such a big person, and I had heard so much about him. And one step when he said, there was 31st October 1985. He said, tomorrow is a very good day, 1st November. Let's begin. So I had no option but to say yes, and then I said, okay sir, because then in the heart and I thought, because I'll come and I can then work out some plan of this, getting out of it. But then next day morning I come 1st October 1985, and then it was history. The reason I'm telling this example, 85 to 2012. Yes, if you think of it, look at it, it's a good long period, but if you really look at it, it's nothing for that matter. I mean, because positive people, good people, they think that life is too big to do too many good things. So never think about short, think big. We started our journey because we were very small. We had our own Mehtaji's accountants, very good, top class, very efficient, very honest, but limitations. So then I'm talking about in 1985, because when I joined, the first thing what I should have discussed within the organization, that why don't we do the computerization of our accounting system. So I'm giving example there how it helps. Yes, we are doing extremely well, because that time our organization was 38-year-old company. Today we are 65 years plus. What has really helped? People, yes, of course, because we always say computer is garbage in, garbage out. But you need the systems, you need the people who are truly working out to it. You need the people who will make the difference. And you have seen that, you have experienced that, and gradually from old days, such a massive fat computer and those systems, from there slowly we come today. And year back, probably I think 2 years back, we thought of getting to the next level, because we've been progressing. We have almost presence in almost all the states of this country, 40 plus jobs happening. Yes, people are there, they have been controlling, but then there are not many loopholes where, because leakages were there, knowingly or unknowingly. So how do we plug them? So again, when we talk about success, whether it's personal level or organizational level, if you don't plan yourself, you are always haphazard. Plan, immediately we talk about putting systems. You got to follow them to the T. You can't compromise there. There is no other alternative. So that is how, because we started into the process of thinking now, let's go to the next level. What is it? So SAPs and those kind of all software systems. We went through the whole gamut of it, discussed with many people. Again, important, because success of whether it is a family, organization or in a system, again, because the partner has to be the good one, who is part of you, who doesn't think that because he is an outsider, who is supplying you, because then that cut, because without any relationship, because high and dry relationship, because you can again never achieve anything. Because I sell something, because I've done my job, I got my money, because you worry about your stuff. That's not the case. In this case, this is when we talk about the software, we talk about the systems, because they are ongoing, and world is moving very fast. So every day we learn many things, we hear about many new things, and there you need a real good partner to associate with you, who is taking your organization along with him, making himself as a part of your organization, part of the system, not making you dependent on them, whereby they can take the advantage of that. This concept is very good, excellent. What happens in this process? Now in our case, because I'm proud to say that today, that because again, proof of the pudding is in eating. I mean, because looks everything good, green and blue and red from the distance, but then when you experience, then you say yes, good or bad. And in our case, I can, with happiness, I can share with you all that as a software, SAP, I think definitely was the PLS, top class, was organization where worldwide they have presence, and best of the software they have been producing, and they've been upgrading those on the regular basis. Coming back to implementation, which is very critical, very important, where again we discussed with maybe half a dozen of organizations, and we zeroed it down to HYBA. HYBA Technology is the organization which is controlled by the Hindustan Construction Company. Mr. Ajit Gulabchand is incidentally the chairman of this company. And why we chose here? Because these people, they implemented the whole system within their own organization, Hindustan Construction. So they've gone through the whole process. Software is good, systems are excellent, but implementation is very, very important. And person who has gone through those process, they know those issues, problems or challenges, I can say, not problems, and their solutions. So after discussing, when we started discussing with them, because it was a very easy process, when we discussed with other guys, because we had to put a lot of efforts to make them understand about what we want. And if you go to the accounting parallels, because industrial, manufacturing and construction, all three are very different systems. What is being done into the industrial, from the point of view accounting, also is totally different. Your requirement of MIS and because your accounting requirements are totally different. Manufacturing is again different. But when it comes to construction, it is very peculiar. We have our job costing, cost controls, spread jobs, geographically because different areas, material prices are different. It is not set like you set one unit, you put one imported because best of the machine of this world. You got X material component decided, you put into that price of the material, you get your yield. And go on doing that year on year because it is not fixed. Whatever you get because the end product you are going to get because yield you have to control. But in our case it is totally different. I mean because we have spread because jobs, each job is different. When I am doing IT park because it's different, when I am doing hospital job it is different, when I am doing residential building that is totally different with specs including. So when we started discussing, I have a team because we found because almost 80% plus of the job, because they understand, they know that they have been doing and they have been implementing. So it became very easy for both of us to come closer.